Okay, I have a quick haul for y'all, okay? So I'm gonna start pulling out the bag. I went to Hobby Lobby, Walmart, and Dollar Tree. Didn't get much at Walmart. It's things I need for a whatnot show, but I'll show you anyway. But look at this. This is so cute. I got all these little like eyeballs and faces, and y'all, I didn't even think about fall for this. Like seriously, let's see what's in here. I was thinking about me using these for Christmas. Oh, thank you, Lord. They're stickers. I cannot draw eyeballs to save my life, y'all. So I ended up I got a ton of eyeballs, and these are all like 40-50% off. So they're $2.49. I didn't pay hardly nothing for them. So I got all these scarecrow eyes, and yeah, I can actually make it, put stickers on something for fall. But yeah, ain't that cute? Look at all those eyeballs and mouths and stuff I can use in my crafting or my paper journaling. You never know. But anyways, yeah, there's that. And that's cute. That's cute as bug in a rug. Okay. I finally got me a ruler. I told y'all I needed a plastic ruler. This was just $1.29. And it's pretty reasonably thick. Plastic ruler. So I can see when I tear my paper. Alright, and then I got these fun things. I got some, look, this was not on sale. It was $2.99. This was in the, what do you call that? You know, leather. There's a leather pokey tool. But look how thin that is. As opposed to, you know, this is a normal awl. Okay, look how huge that is. I cannot poke my journals with that big awl because the thread, the hole would be so big. So I got this, and it actually has this, and it will fit in your hand, and it won't hurt as bad. So, Hobby Lobby. Oh, I'm going to keep that. Then, these were on sale, the his and hers. Well, they might not have been on sale. They were $1.49. They're really not that bad. But look, you can use these in your journal if they don't say anything as little journal cards. Ain't that pretty? Just glue that thing down and have it as a flip card. Or you can do it, well, no, you don't want to do it that way. Yeah, a flip card. You can do it any way you want, but some people don't mind stuff sideways in their journals. I get a little trippy about it. But anyways, I got some of these, $1.49. These were in the Soap Creations, and they're just little, oh, good grief, syringes, they call them pipettes. But, you know, where you squeeze in, get inks or waters or whatever and make drippages. Yeah. Let me see. Paper Studio. Look how cute these little envelopes are, y'all. These are so cute. Now I'm going to have stuff to put away. Look how cute those are. You can just decorate those, pop them in a journal, make a little journal. Oh my goodness. I cannot wait to use these. They are so stinky cute, and they're thick. They are really thick. So, yeah. Got those envelopes. Love, love, love them. I don't think these have envelopes in them. No, they're just place cards. Okay. Oh, I got two of them. Is this a different size? Oh, no. My bad. These are mini craft sacks. Mini craft sacks. I don't even know what these are. They're really thick, though. Oh, my goodness. Look at that. That would make the cutest little stinking pot. I got some ideas. We're fixing to have some fun. Okay. I'm going to show you the stuff they had on sale. Y'all know I'm a paper freak. I got these block print stickabilities. I'm not sure that I had these. But they got like flowers and be kind to your mind. You know, all kinds of sayings in here. And stuff like that. So I just thought they were cute. And I went to get some of the stuff on clearance, but I couldn't find any. But yeah. Did I haul this one before? Y'all, did I haul this one before? I think I did. Oh, I think I did. This is a repurchase, y'all. A repurchase, because I remember these, the mushrooms and all that. But it's still, you know why I liked it? Because it's pretty. Oh, yep, it's right over here. Got that. Then I got this Faith ephemera. Now I know I don't have this one. At least I don't think I do. If I do, I'm always using these in my my Bible study, because I decorate my Bible study journal thingy. So I always use these. And family tree, God first. Oh no, I didn't have this one. I love this, y'all. This is absolutely beautiful. Look at those. This is a separate sticker from the frame. Oh my goodness, I am in love with this. Oh, the roses and the crosses. I do not think I have this. If I do, I got another one, and I'm not mad about it. I'm just going to tell you, I'm not mad about it. I love that. That will go in my other room. And then I have these Fun Faith stickers, because I know I did not get these. This is the first time that I have seen these. Now, they may have been there and been sold out, but this is the first time I have seen these. And this was on sale last week. All this stuff was on sale last week, so I got it for 40% off. Look how beautiful these stickers are. Oh my goodness. Yeah, these are going to be beautiful in my Bible journals. I'm not fond of gold, but you know, it'll be okay. Oh, I love it. I love it. Look how beautiful. And I don't grunge my Bible study journals. So these will be perfect just as is, because like I said, I don't grunge my Bible studies. They're clear as a bell, so you can read them. I love the pink churches. I love those pink churches. Okay, so that's that book. Oh my goodness, I'm excited. And I saw someone else haul this. Don't ask me who. I've been watching so many clearance videos for Hobby Lobby that it is not even funny. So I don't know who it was. It was several. But this is the baby. Look. Oh my goodness. Isn't that adorable? I love it. She's got her little babies under her wing. Oh my goodness. So you get 1, 2, 3 of each. Okay. That's typical with the paper from Hobby Lobby. So then you get this one. Little mama bear, papa bear, baby bear. Oh my goodness. Bear hugs. How fun is that? Strawberries. Like, they give you an animal and then a picture. Oh my goodness. That is beautiful. It coordinates with this. Y'all, I'm getting stuck over here. I'm getting stuck. Let me not do that again. I usually just pull them up and stick them down. Okay, we got the balloons. Oh, the baby deer. That is so gorgeous. I hope I'm in frame because I don't have I'm not controlling it with my phone. These all coordinate with each other, and I absolutely love it. They would make beautiful cards, or just baby scrapbook, you know. Oh, I love that. That is so pretty. Oh, that is pretty. So we don't have an animal. We had 2 prints. Let's see what else we get. Oh, these are so sweet, y'all. Oh, I love that. That is my favorite. I think that is just, I just like the color and just, you know, the no color, the color, no color. Oh, I love this. Y'all, I know I love everything. I love everything. That reminds me of vintage wallpaper. Y'all with me on the vintage wallpaper there? Yeah. That's all of them. That is gorgeous. Neutrals, pretty much. Another one of those papers. Little polka dot papers. Little flowers. I think this one's it. Yes, that's it. That is a beautiful paper pad. Y'all, I'm excited about that. And look, I picked up 2 of these. Is it 2 of them? Yeah. These are the Christmas. And these are frames. These are just die cuts. But y'all, let me take them out and show you. So some of them I won't use. Look how tiny. Little bitty people. Look how cute. Is that showing up? I don't know. Is it showing up? I hope so. Let me leave them down here and I will zoom in. That will make more sense to me. So I'll leave them right here and I'll zoom in. So we have a bigger one of like that. These are just die cut frames. Vintage frames. There's the little town. Gorgeous old-fashioned town. I just love these. Love the people. Oh my goodness. There's another little one. And I love the fact that you get different sizes. You know? There's several little ones. There's quite a few in here. What is this one? Oh yeah. You can't see those a lot. I just love these. I love a nostalgic town. You know, like go down to Gatlinburg or up in Madison, Indiana. Places like that when it's winter. I love that. Oh, that's just a bigger one of these. Look at that. So, you know, these may be over and over and just big, little, big, little, big, little, but they're still pretty. Y'all, I'm going to have a mess. Now you're in the woods. Ain't they gorgeous? So I got 2 of those. I picked up these. Look how cute they are. Little 3D cups. I thought these would be so cute in a journal. Like if you had a coffee journal or a coffee section. We're going to get there. We're going to get there. I picked up this out of the Christmas. This is for, oh my goodness. Isn't that cute? I love gingerbreads. And the pastel gingerbreads is just gorgeous. Just gorgeous. And you can take these off and they're just glued on there. And they're felt. So you can, you know, just rip the string right off. But I'm not going to do that. But you can. Then I picked up, I'm going to get rid of this, but I'm going to keep these 2, the gingerbreads and candy cane washi tape. Then I picked up for my crafting channel some hardware that I needed. And everybody's hauling these on clearance for 99 cents. I got some of those anyway, but anyways, I just get these. These are cheap. I guess you could use them in your junk journal, but it's really more for my other channel, you know. So, anyway, and then on clearance, I got these little shakers. Aren't they gorgeous? Look at all the bits. You can use them for shaker cards. You can actually, there's itty bitty bows in there. I'll try to zoom in on these 2 and show you what's in there. And I got another one. I had to have this one because the color is just, I'm dancing to the shaking. I love these colors. So there those are. All the little bits and bobs. These was, oh my goodness. My crafting channel, I could use these as sprinkles on my faux cupcakes or faux, just, oh my goodness. I love these. Okay. Now, let me get the Dollar Tree real quick. And this is just some odds and ends stuff that I got there. Because I run in to grab something. So, I don't even know what's in this bag, but I do have these. This one is new to my Dollar Tree, and this is just wall decals, but that is gorgeous. It would be beautiful in a fall journal. You know, you can cut these off and then fussy cut around these, and I don't know what you can do with it, but it's cute. And then these are the window trims, window film everybody has been getting. And I wanted to see, okay, this is a vinyl decal. I'm not even sure how that would glue down. I'm sure we could find some glue, but isn't it beautiful? And this one is my favorite. That is so beautiful. I love this. If nothing else, I'll leave it on the paper and just glue it down like it is. You know, glue the paper down. That would be easy peasy. It's like window clings, you know. Just window clings. And then in my bag, look, I got these. I don't know how they're going to be. These are pencil grips. I have trouble with my hands because carpal tunnel. So I have trouble gripping pencils and stuff. So I don't even know if I have one. Now, I've seen these at Walmart and they're huge. Anyway, they're big and I didn't like it. They're higher. So what's the point in these, really? How do you do these? It don't even tell you. Like, you just pencil grip like this? Put my finger in there. I don't know how these work. I really don't. Oh, I put it on upside down. It says it goes this way. So you put it on this way. I did see a little arrow. And then you grip it like this. Like, that is annoying. Do not get these. Don't get these. They're annoying. Wonder if I could do... use them for something else. If y'all have any ideas on how to use these, please let me know, because as pencil grips, they're awful unless I wasn't doing that right. Y'all let me know in the comments. I don't like them. They're really soft to feel them, but I don't like them. Okay, I got this pen because I thought it was just cute as a bug in a rug. I love the colors, the pastel colors. And it says it's a smooth writing metal tip. That feels so good, y'all. That feels so good. I love it. Oh, that can come off. So when I'm done, okay, it has a bump on it. And that's hard to get off. I don't even know if I got it off. We're picking. Let me see. Oh. Is that purple? Nope, that's blue. I still got that. Ah. These are so smooth. I love that. That is so nice. I just like to feel it. Like, okay. I got these from my crafting world to use as filler. Oh my gosh. I had to get my husband Band-Aids because he cut his finger. I picked up some caulking because it's really cheap there. I mean, it's high at Walmart. Picked up 2 of those, and then I got this nail brush because I'm always getting paint in my nails and stain, and I use these to get that out of there. All right, now let me show you my Walmart haul. Okay, this isn't a lot. Look at, they had their doilies. Now I got the medium size and all that, and I didn't do that in a haul. Sorry about that. I didn't do that in a haul. But I got these. These are huge. These would be beautiful in journals. I got these. They were $2.50. They clearanced out all of that, y'all. It made me sad. Got these teeny tiny ones for $2. And I think my other ones that came in different sizes was $2. So I got those. I got envelopes because I have to mail some ephemera. These were on clearance. These are Eraser Mate ballpoint erasable pens. And these were $2 on clearance. And then, y'all, I always get these for little beads because I like to pour them out and then put them back in as opposed to digging them in those little trays they come in. So I always get these. And these are $1.78. Stackable containers. These are $1.78. Okay. And I always grab those. And then these right here, no, that's the same thing. These right here are 3, and I put bigger ones in there. And they are $1.78 as well. Yep, $1.78 as well. So, yeah. So that's my haul from Walmart. So this is all the stuff I got, and I was excited to show y'all because I love it. Now, there's a ton of Christmas stuff at Hobby Lobby, okay? A ton. But I don't do traditional Christmas, so there's like packs with Santas like these and all kinds of stuff up there. Stickers galore. So, and it's all 50% off. So go check Hobby Lobby because you can get your scrapbooking stuff and your junk journaling stuff super duper cheap right now. And you want to get it before it's gone, y'all. Okay? So, until next time, remember, you are a blessing. Happy shopping. Goodbye.